I usually feed my family for about $1 a serving, but this week I'm cooking out of a $55 cardboard box. As most of you know, after the fire, I moved back to Las Vegas and my kitchen is practically empty. I barely have any spices, pantry, or even pots and pans. So a family member gifted us a meal kit to help us survive the week. I've never used one before, so is the convenience worth the crazy markup? Well, let's find out. Here's how it works. Everything is portioned out into these little paper bags, which honestly takes away 100% of the mental load of cooking right now. But here's the reality check. My family member filled out the questionnaire knowing we eat plant-based. But meal kit menus change every week, and this week, only one meal was fully vegan. The rest were vegetarian. If you're strictly vegan, meal kits can be kind of tricky, but I'm not letting these groceries go to waste. We're just gonna do a little Divine Chef hack to make these 100% plant-based. Meal number 1 is the crispy tofu sesame lo mein. The recipe card claims this takes 30 minutes to make, but honestly, just opening all these tiny plastic packets felt tedious and a bit wasteful. You also have to add your own oil, salt, and pepper, which isn't included, so keep that in mind. I know a thing or two about crispy tofu. The quality of the tofu they sent was actually good firm tofu, and surprisingly, the amount was more than enough. Once I got everything open and tossed the noodles in that sesame sauce, I have to admit, it looks exactly like takeout. Alright, so let me give you my honest opinion about this one. It's a 10 out of 10. The flavor is amazing, the veggies are incredibly fresh, and it was super filling. For 2 people, the portion size were absolutely perfect. I would 100% recommend this meal. If you're enjoying this review, let me know in the comments if you ever subscribed to one of these meal kits before. I'd like to know. Next up, sweet potato and pepper quesadillas. Sweet potatoes are my ultimate budget ingredient, so I was excited about this. But here's where our vegan hack comes in. They sent us dairy cheese. I'm just tossing their packets aside and using a handful of my own cheese I already bought. It melts perfectly. Let's talk about the reality of making this. The card listed about 35 minutes for prep time, but in reality, it took about an hour. You have to bake the sweet potatoes, prep the veggies, make the sauce, and make a salsa. For a beginner, it might feel a bit overwhelming for a weeknight. That being said, look at this. They are massive. They really pack in the filling and they taste so delicious, I can't even be mad at the extra time it took. The other meals were a spinach caprese salad, harissa sweet potato lettuce wraps, and a kimchi fried rice. But let's talk about the math. The box cost $54.88 for 10 servings. That's $5.49 per meal. Compared to takeout, $5.50 is amazing. The convenience was exactly what I needed this week with an empty kitchen. But remember, this is with a first-time discount code. Normally it's much higher. Just to be completely transparent, this is not sponsored. A family member helped us out, but I did sign up for an affiliate link. So if you're in a chaotic season of life and need a break from grocery shopping, you can use the link in my description to get a heavy discount on your first box. But as a budget chef, my brain is already calculating how much I can make that exact lo mein from scratch. So here's my challenge. Next week, I'm gonna take their best recipe, go to the grocery store, and see if I can recreate it for under $2 a serving. The Divine Chef versus the meal kit. If you want to see who wins, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. And I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.